Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the early notification of my latest video. Hello and welcome back. In today's video you will find how you can easily remove the error when you find a message such as cannot create temp folder directory or archive or permission to temp folder. This message mostly comes while installing software. Error message is displayed and you have to close it, and you cannot proceed further with installation. This could be any software or exe file. This type of error can be encountered in Windows 7, 8 or 10. There are some methods through which you can fix this error. First of all, I recommend using easy method. Method 1 is open application you want to install by right clicking and run as administrator, and then proceed with installation. If this method does not work, then try this second method. Since the normal installation takes place in C drive and temp folders are also found there, therefore open Windows Explorer, right click on C drive and go to Properties. In the Properties, go to Tools section. From there you will find Error Checking. Click on Check button, then Scan Drive. It will start scanning for any errors, find and automatically fix them. If this method does not work, then you can try this third method. Open File Explorer, go to this PC, right click and then go to Properties. System windows will open, then go to Advanced System Settings. System Properties window will open. In System Properties, click on Environment Variables. Inside you will find User Variables where the path is given, which is variable value for temp and tmp. You have to click Edit below and change user variable value for both of these variables one by one. Default variable path is already given here. For some security reasons, this variable path may not be working. Therefore, to remove temp folder error, this variable value is changed and replaced with C:\temp. Click OK. Now select tmp. Click on Edit. After this, variable value for tmp will also be changed. Click OK and below also. These are some of the easier methods that you can try. Hope you may find this tutorial helpful. Until next time, I will be back with more such informative videos.